This is soil moisture sensor and its analog 0 pin. Data radiance will go through this pin to Arduino. This is VCC current line and its GND ground line. And then it's programmed as 10, 9, 8 in digital line. 10th line is going to red LED light. This red light blink will be show soils without moisture level. Next, 9th line is going to yellow LED light. It will show soil's medium level moisture. Finally, 8th line is going to white LED light. It will show high level of soil moisture. Now we will going to see how it's working. First of all, we should connect this detector with one power supply. Now you can see sensor not detect any moisture, so it's showing red LED light. Now we are going to fix this sensor into the soil. Now you can see blue light. It means that soil have medium level moisture. And now it shows white LED light blinks. It means that soil have high level moisture.